Hello, everyone. I'm meteorologist Sam Reichard with DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com, your DeSoto Day Planner, brought to you by Pounders Repair. You can find them at 345 East Commerce Street in Hernando. They specialize in diesel repair and performance. We're going to have a nice day today, a little on the breezy side, but warm and humid. 69 degrees at 9 a.m. with mostly sunny skies. Still mostly sunny at noon today. 80 degrees, slight chance for a shower. At 3 p.m. this afternoon, 84 degrees, 20% chance of a shower. Skies partly cloudy. And then 6 p.m. this evening, 83 degrees with a partly cloudy sky. Winds today will be from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. I'm Sam Reichard. Have a great day.